You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What do you think? Man, what you got in here, man? It's two 12-inch CB5s with 8-layer D1s and a 4th order trunk wall that I built on 2 Salt 6Ks wired at 0.5.
Yeah. I was there looking a lot back there.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot.
Those are the new AMPERE, right?
Yeah, these are the SAE V4 100.4s, and they're all on LCMRs, 10s, 8s, 6.5s, and then ETR 1 point. No DSP or anything. Just
Loud amp.
Yep, just the amps.
Sounds good, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. It looks just like a thought.
Oh yeah.
It makes everything go down.
Oh yeah, thanks. I'm ripping it all out after TDH though. I'm gonna build a 6th order in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get the space, but I think I can do it.
Hey, it'll work. I think it'll work.
Oh yeah.
Well, where can I find you on social media anywhere?
You can see Log Schneider on Facebook or at It's the Log everywhere else.
Okay. I appreciate it, bro.
I appreciate
Yes,
it. Thank
man.
you.
See you next time.
Yep.
Still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.